Hi, I'm Nikki with Sewing My Style. Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to this special series of beginner bra making. We will begin with the one thing that we get all the time. How do I take my measurements? How do I determine the underwire size? What pattern do I select first? What fabrics? We're going to answer all of those questions. So we'll get started with taking your measurements and determining your underwire size and checking that size to make sure it does fit. It's not a perfect science. We'll also help you determine what's the best pattern to choose for your first bra. We'll talk about the fabrics that you use for making a bra, and we'll talk about making a fit band because the band is 80% of the support of your bra. We'll talk about making adjustments and redesigning so you can have fun with your bra. We'll also talk about the benefits of making a bralette, which are really popular now because you guys know we haven't worn a real bra in a long time. So welcome to the series. We're going to take it slow and get all of your questions answered. And if you feel like you need a class or anything, we have those too, of course. And we look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.